Welcome back to my YouTube channel. What you see here is an animation of crank mechanism done in SolidWorks software. So I hope you will enjoy. Now it consists of several parts, and this is the base where all attachments are made. This is the wheel which produces all the drive mechanism or the rotation. This one here acts as a crank or a swing mechanism with a slot over here. This slot will allow the pin to move up and down during the circular rotation of this wheel. Now the yellow part acts as a con rod. It connects the crank onto the linear mechanism. This one here is the part now that moves in linear mechanism. It only moves back and forth to bring about the rotation into linear movement. And this is how the assembly looks like. Let us look at the motion study. Now this is where the motion applies. The wheel rotates in circular motion, and it has a pin fixed onto it. This pin is free to move along the slot on this con rod. Now upwards and downwards movement will transform swinging effect on this rod, which moves back and forth. Now with the help of the yellow part and also a pin over here, it will provide a free joint to allow the crank to move back and forth. And where does this mechanism applied? This mechanism is used in shaper. It's a kind of milling machine that produces slots. So forward and backward movement of the tool will be able to create the slot on the workpiece. So I hope you are able to learn something out of my tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so that you don't miss my next video when I upload it. Thank you so much for tuning in, and see you in the next video.